My name is Edgar Gonzalez here at Audi Rochelle, and I am an Audi brand specialist. Since we've implemented UVeye here at Audi Rochelle, we've noticed many changes. Instead of going out and checking out the vehicle with our pre-owned manager and trying to catch things with the naked eye, we're able to put it through the state-of-the-art inspection machine, which allows us to detect if there's any type of damage in the underbody of the vehicle, any dings and dents around the vehicle, low tire threading, and also damage on the rims themselves. The sales team feels great about having the UVeye system. All we have to do is pass the vehicle through the inspection machine, and that is going to tell us everything we need to know about the vehicle itself. So it's not much of a learning curve, and it's pretty straightforward. We passed our certified pre-owned through the UVeye, and being able to show the customer that the tires were up to date and passed the certification for the 301-point inspection. And then in regards to new car sales, we're able to show the customer why their vehicle is being valued at what it's at, being able to show them in plain sight what the UVeye is capturing on their vehicle.